Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be covering 30 important questions on subject-verb agreement, along with detailed answers and explanations. This exercise is from the 6th class ICSE curriculum, but it's incredibly useful for anyone preparing for competitive exams like SSC, banking, UPSC, and others. Whether you're a student or someone brushing up on grammar, this video will help you strengthen your understanding of one of the most important grammar rules. Let's dive into the questions. Let's start the test. Write only answers. 1. Rita and Geeta friends. Is /are. 2. The leader and the patriot present at the meeting. Was /were. 3. Amit as well as his friends present here. Are /is. 4. Meeta with her cousins come to my house today. Has /have. 5. Either Vijay or Ajay done this. Has /have. 6. Neither Seema nor Meena present. Was. 7. Neither he nor I to go there. Am /is. 8. Either I or he to go there. Is /am. 9. Neha and her sisters waiting for you. Are /is. 10. Neither Satish nor his parents come. Has /have. 11. Either you or I in the wrong. Are /am. 12. Neither you nor he to blame. Is /are. 13. Each of the girls rewarded. Were /was. 14. Either of the two temples been attacked. Have /has. 15. Neither of these two books interesting. Is /are. 16. Every mother her children. Love loves. 17. Everyone in my family others. Respect respects. 18. One of the passengers hurt seriously. Were was. 19. Much help already been given to him. Has have. 20. A little quantity of milk poured into the sauce. Was were. 21. Many a girl joined computer classes. Have has. 22. A few coins there in my pocket. Is are. 23. Several people present at the book launch. Were was. 24. Both the thieves been arrested. Has have. 25. Many of these girls participated in the swimming competition. Have has. 26. The committee divided on certain points. Was were. 27. A number of boys found gossiping. Was were. 28. The flock grazing in the forest. Was were. 29. Gulliver's Travels read by all the boys and girls. Is are. 30. 15 rupees too much for this article. Is are.
Here are the answers to the exercise along with explanations. 1. Rita and Geeta are friends. Explanation. Rita and Geeta is a plural subject, two people, so we use are. 2. The leader and the patriot were present at the meeting. Explanation. Since the leader and the patriot refers to two different people, as indicated by the before both nouns, the subject is plural, and we use were. 3. Amit, as well as his friends, is present here. The phrase, as well as his friends, does not change the subject, which is singular, Amit, so we use is. 4. Meeta with her cousins has come to my house today. Explanation. The subject is Meeta, which is singular. The phrase with her cousins is additional information and does not affect the verb. So, has is correct. 5. Either Vijay or Ajay has done this. Explanation. When using either or, the verb agrees with the closer subject, Ajay, which is singular. So, we use has. 6. Neither Seema nor Meena was present. Explanation. Neither nor takes the verb that agrees with the nearer subject, which is Meena, so was is correct. 7. Neither he nor I am to go there. With neither nor, the verb agrees with the closer subject. In this case, I is closer, so we use am. 8. Either I or he is to go there. Here he is closer to the verb, and it is singular, so is correct. 9. Neha and her sisters are waiting for you. Explanation. The subject Neha and her sisters is plural, so we use are. 10. Neither Satish nor his parents have come. Parents is plural, and with neither nor, the verb agrees with the closer subject, parents, so we use have. 11. Either you or I am in the wrong. I is closer to the verb, and the correct verb form for I is am. 12. Neither you nor he is to blame. Explanation. The verb agrees with the nearer subject he, which is singular, so we use is. 13. Each of the girls was rewarded. Each is singular, so we use was. 14. Either of the two temples has been attacked. Either is singular, so the correct verb is has. 15. Neither of these two books is interesting. Neither is singular, so the correct verb is. 16. Every mother loves her children. Explanation. Every mother is singular, so we use loves. 17. Everyone in my family respects others. Explan. Everyone is singular, so we use respects. 18. One of the passengers was hurt seriously. One is singular, so the correct verb is was. 19. Much help has already been given to him. Much help is uncountable and singular, so we use has. 20. A little quantity of milk was poured into the sauce. Explanation. A little quantity of milk is singular, so we use was. These are the answers. 1. Many a girl has joined computer classes. Explanation. Many a is a peculiar phrase that takes a singular verb, even though it seems to refer to multiple people. Hence, we use has. 22. A few coins are there in my pocket. A few coins is plural, so we use the plural verb are. 23. Several people were present at the book launch. Explanation. Several people is plural, so the plural verb were is used. 24. Both the thieves have been arrested. Explanation. Both the thieves refers to more than one person, so the plural verb have is correct. 25. Many of these girls have participated in the swimming competition. Many of these girls is plural, so the verb have is appropriate. 26. The committee was divided on certain points. The committee is a collective noun. When the committee is acting as a single unit, we use the singular verb was. 27. A number of boys were found gossiping. Explanation. A number of is followed by a plural noun, boys, and takes a plural verb, so were is correct. 28. The flock was grazing in the forest. The flock is a collective noun and is considered singular, so we use was. 29. Gulliver's Travels is read by all the boys and girls. Explanation. Gulliver's Travels is the title of a book and is treated as singular, so we use the singular verb is. 30. 15 rupees is too much for this article. 15 rupees is considered a singular amount of money, so we use is. These explanations are based on grammatical rules for subject-verb agreement, including exceptions like collective nouns and fixed phrases like many a.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found this exercise on subject-verb agreement helpful for improving your grammar skills. Whether you're preparing for competitive exams or just looking to brush up on your language, these 30 questions and explanations will help you master the rules. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, so keep revisiting these concepts and apply them in your daily writing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more lessons like this. Feel free to drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Keep learning and see you in the next video.